Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to change Snapchat profile picture. First of all, you need to make sure that you're on your profile section and go on your right upper side and select the settings button. After that, now how long you go and get down and get back, you'll see that there is no option for changing your Snapchat profile picture directly. But we'll go on support and we'll go on I need help on the first section, and after that you'll need to wait and type here profile. Now as you can see, it's no options about it, but go on my account and security, and now you can see have more options. Go on account information, how to change your username, birthday, and again you couldn't find the option about changing your profile picture. And now what you do is go using Snapchat. Here you need to find your profile and your stories. Now as you can see about profile, you can find managing stories for creators, but you need to go about profile and scroll down. Now as you can see, you have the option about editing your profile picture. Now they describe you what you need to do, but you couldn't find again. Now go back, go again. As you can see on the latest version of Snapchat, it's all about avatars, and all members, all users are using avatars, and this is why it doesn't have the option for changing profile picture, but we can make some addition about it. Now for example, we will make this picture on, and then you'll go on this one just like that, then go with send, go on last snap or my story, okay, go spotlight, go back, edit the story. Now as you can see, we have added something on story, and it's like priority on changing Snapchat profile picture. Thanks for watching guys, make sure that you hit that like and share the video, and see you soon.